Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how hackers hide malicious files on images, how they hide malicious files on files, how they hide secret messages on an image as well in a process known as steganography. So we have an image here, image.jpg, and this is our image, and you can see we also have a file here known as secret.pdf. We want to hide this file inside of this image. We also have some NTLM hashes that I grabbed from my Windows VM. We are going to be looking at how to hide this inside of a message and so on and so forth. So I'm going to right click and open a terminal here on the desktop. If I list the desktop, you see we have hashes.txt, we have image.jpg, and we have secret.pdf. So I'm going to be using a tool known as Steganography. And if we do Steganography -h, you will see the help menu of this tool, right? You will see some commands. It has 5 different commands. The help command that is going to display the help information about a particular command, then the GUI, the GUI, the graphical user interface that lets you use Steganography on the graphical user interface. You have the embed command, which is going to embed data into an image. You have the extract command that extracts data from an image, and you have the capacity command that shows the maximum amount of embedded data. So let's run Steganography help embed, and it shows that the embed command needs a password and a secret message or a secret file, right? You give it a key, which is your password, because when you hide a file inside of an image, the recipient of that file is going to need a password before they can see whatever message or whatever file was hidden. You can give it -f if you are embedding a file or files. You can give it M if you are giving it a simple message. So let's have a look. I'm going to clear my screen, and let's say we want to embed a message, a secret message inside of an image. How do we do that? You run Steganography embed -k for the password, and I'm just going to put pass 12345 as the password, then -m for the message, and inside of double quote we can call it this is our secret code, right? That's just our our message. And then the cover file is image.jpg. If I hit enter, it is embedding data into that image, and you can see that we have a new image on our desktop known as image embed.jpg. One thing you can do as well is you don't leave an image named like this, because it can be suspicious, right? So what you can do is you can rename this image with the mv command, image underscore embed, and you put it embed.jpg, and we're just going to call it picture, right? picture1.jpg, just to make sure that people don't suspect our image. Now if we ls, you have a new image called picture1.jpg. one thing you are going to notice is that the file size of the embedded of the new image is greater than the file size of the original image that we used as our cover image. So if we ls-ls, you are going to see that our cover image was image.jpg 7,000 bytes, and then you have the new file which is now 9,000 bytes, because when you embed something inside of it, it becomes heavier. So how, once you send it to a recipient, how are they going to see that secret? How are they going to read that secret message? They are going to run Steganography extract, but they need the key, and the key was pass 1 2 3 4 5, and then the file is picture1, as simple as that, .jpg. If we hit enter, it says picture1 does not exist. Interestingly, so let me list again. How did I name that file? I named it picture, not picture. Sorry about that, that was my bad. So let's just give it picture, hit enter, and you see that it is extracting data, and this is the message that we embedded into that picture. This is our secret code, but you can also achieve this easily using the command, using the graphical user interface. So if we run Steganography GUI, Steganography GUI, it starts Steganography on the graphical user interface, and now we can just browse our cover file. Our cover file is image.jpg. Open it, and now we have a cover file. What do we want to hide inside this cover file? We can say this is the secret API key, like so, and we put our we give it a password, right? This time we're just going to use password 1 2 3, and then we embed. And now we have, if you go to our desktop, you see that we have another new image. We have another new image. Let me see. CD desktop. We have another new image, which is image embed.jpg, right? This one we embedded from a graphical user interface. Let's just rename this as picture2 mv image underscore embed.jpg to picture2.jpg. Hit enter, ls, and we have picture2.jpg. So what we are going to do right here is I'm going to clear this, and we can go back to our interface. Now let's say we want to extract this, right? Let's say we want, I'm just going to close this, right? Let's say we have sent this to someone and they want to extract it using the GUI. All they need to do is go grab that file picture2.jpg. This is picture2.jpg. Open it, and now put a password. Our password was password 1 2 3, and then they launch extract, and you can see the message that we gave it, right? Another thing that we can do is embed an image inside of an image, and here is easy, or embed a file inside of an image. So let's say we want to embed secret.pdf into image.jpg. It's easy. You are going to say stego suite embed -k for the password. Let's just put our password as 12345 and then -f for the file, and we can say we want to embed secret.pdf. Notice the difference between embedding an image and embedding a file is just that for an image we put a -m, for a file we put a -f. Secret.pdf into image.jpg, like so. Hit enter, and bingo, we just embedded that, right? Let's extract it using Stego Suite graphical user interface, and if we come here, let's grab image embed.jpg, pull it, put our password 12345 I hope I'm right, and then we launch extract, and it just extracted that file. It just extracted that file, but the problem here is that it's a PDF file, and PDFs, for some reason, I don't know why they don't open on Kali. That's why we didn't get that, but we can also do Stego Suite extract -k for 12345 and we are looking at image underscore embed.jpg, and we have our secret.pdf. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something, and see you in the next one. Ciao.